Hello everyone. We were discussing formal letters. So today we will continue our topic. Today we are going to discuss business letters or letter for inquiring about some goods, some product or service, or placing an order for some goods, or we can say complaining about some defective item. So first of all, let's discuss inquiring about some product. So as you all know, while writing a formal letter, we have to follow a proper format. So while writing a letter about inquiring some goods or service, what we will do, you are writing this letter on the behalf of some institution. You can say you are writing this letter on the behalf of some school, college, or hostel, etc. And you are going to make a purchase in bulk. As you all know that if we are buying some goods for our personal use, we are buying in very few quantity. But if we are buying for some institution, so our purchase will be in bulk. So before making a bulk purchase, it is very much necessary to inquire about that particular product, to inquire about the quality, quantity, about brands, about the price of that particular item. Okay, so that we can make the best purchase. So in order to make inquiry while writing a letter, you just follow the same format. First of all, we will write down the sender's address. As I have already told you, in sender's address you will write down only the address. No name or designation will be mentioned. For example, here an example of a letter is given. Suppose you are Ria Rohan, computer in charge of Army Public School. Your school wishes to buy 20 computers and accessories from Apple Inc. Nehru Place, New Delhi. Draft a letter for placing an order for the same. यहाँ पे क्या है कि you have to write down a letter for placing an order. But before placing an order, we are going to discuss for writing a letter to inquire about that particular product. So assume that we are writing this letter for inquiring for the purchase of 20 computers and its accessories. So how will you write the letter? You are writing this letter on the behalf of computer in charge, Army Public School, Hisar. Okay. So in sender's address, you will not mention this designation, computer in charge, or any name, all that. You just only mention the name of the school. It is Army Public School, Hisar. After that, you will write down the date, the particular date on which you are writing the letter. So it is 20th May 2021. Okay. After that, what you will write? Receiver's address. And in receiver's address, we always mention the designation. So if it is given in the letter, you will mention the same address, same designation. And if it is not given, then you may write down the manager, the sales manager, etc. Okay. Here we are writing Messrs. Apple Inc. This Messrs. refers to the owners of that particular shop. So Messrs. Apple Inc. Nehru Place, New Delhi. This is the address of receiver to whom we are writing the letter. Now what will be the subject? As I have already told you that your subject should be very precise and to the point. So we are writing this letter for inquiring. Then you can write down inquiring about computer and computer accessories. Inquiring about computer and computer accessories. Next, you will write down the salutation. Dear sir. Now it comes the body of the letter, or you can say content of the letter, which is very important part of your letter. that you have to write down according to your creativity. So first of all, whenever you are going to write a inquiry letter or you are writing a letter for placing an order, one thing you should always keep in mind that while you are inquiring about something to a person, it is obvious that you are talking to that person for the first time. So it is relevant to introduce yourself. First of all, you should introduce yourself in 1 or 2 lines. The introduction will contain the name of your institution, not your personal introduction. Okay. So what is the relevance, what is the importance of giving your introduction? By giving your introduction, the shopkeeper, it is the shopkeeper with whom you are dealing, he or she must know that he is dealing with a well-known institution. For example, here if we mention I am the computer in charge of APS Hisar, so the shopkeeper will well know that APS Hisar is a famous institution in Hisar. So if we are dealing with a reputed institution, so there must not be any issue about the payment and all those things. Or he will also want to make a long-term relationship with a reputed institution, and in order to make a long-term relationship, in order to make a regular customer, he will also try to provide you the best quality in an optimal price also. So it will be a win-win position for both the institution and the seller also. Institution के लिए क्या होगा, it will get the best quality in a very best price also. और ये शॉपकीपर के लिए क्या होगा, he will get a long term customer also, regular customer also, who will purchase things in bulk. So it will also increase his sales. So this is the relevance of providing your introduction. So in the first line, what we are writing, I am the computer in charge of APS Hisar. Okay, we are in need of 20 computers and their accessories. अब क्या है कि हमें किस चीज की जरूरत है, that I have mentioned. After that, while making an inquiry, first of all, one thing you should keep in mind, while suppose you can understand it with a very practical example also. While you are going to a shop to purchase something, there are so many questions in your mind about that particular thing that you are going to purchase. You ask the shopkeeper about that thing, about the rate of that product, about the price, quality, brands, and all that. So all these things are very much necessary to ask in advance. So you can write down, before purchasing, before placing an order, I want to know about the following details. Okay. One thing you should always keep in mind, that while writing a letter for inquiry, make your inquiry in points. This is an example of placing an order. Don't look at this. You just keep in mind that while making an inquiry, you will write down, please provide me the following details. And whatever you want to know, whatever details you want to know, you should make points. You should make points of that, those questions, whatever inquiry you are going to ask. Okay. First of all, you can make it 1, 2, 3 series, or you can make it in bullets also. So first of all, what you will ask about the available options in the brands. Okay, what are the brands available for the computer? You can ask about the computer accessories, options in the computer accessories. You may also ask about the rate of the above mentioned items. You can also ask about the mode of payment or delivery time. All these things you can put into points, okay, so that it will be easy for the receiver to answer your queries. So you will make the points of your inquiries, and after that you will write down, please provide me these details as soon as possible so that I can take the next step. जो भी परचेजिंग के लिए हमें अगला स्टेप लेना है तो वो हम एज सुन एज पॉसिबल ले सकें. ओके, एंड इन द लास्ट, थैंक यू, योर्स ट्रूली, सिग्नेचर एंड नेम एज गिवन इन द स्टेटमेंट. ओके, सो this is the format of letter inquiring about some goods or product. Okay, what are the things that you have to keep in mind, that the format will remain the same. First of all, you will write down the sender's address, then date, then after that receiver's address with proper designation. Subject आप लिखेंगे inquiring about whatever the product or service you are going to inquire, and after that salutation. Then you will provide your introduction from which institution you are going to make the purchase, and after that you will describe what you are going to inquire about, and your inquiries should be in points, and in the last, yours truly. So this is the inquiry about some goods on the behalf of any institution. If you are purchasing something for your own, or you can say personally you are buying something, some product or service. For example, in summer vacations you are going to join some hobby classes or computer course, or you can say any English speaking course. So before joining that particular course you have to inquire some points. So in this letter also you will write in the same manner. First of all you will write down the sender's address, that is your address, and then date, then receiver's address, whatever the name of the institution, the manager, name of the institution, city name, subject inquiring about computer course or dance classes, whatever. Then, dear sir, I am the student of 10th class, 9th class, and in my summer vacations I want to join your your institution for completing a basic computer course for 2 months, 6 months, whatever. I want to know about the following details. अब डिटेल्स लिख देंगे, क्या क्या डिटेल्स हमें चाहिए. अब आप पर्सनली सोचो कि अगर आप किसी कंप्यूटर कोर्स में एडमिशन लेना चाहते हो तो व्हाट विल बी द queries in your mind. You will be curious about knowing the timing of the class, the fee. You will know about the faculty, any conveyance facility provided, bus facility, etc. Size of the batch, how many students are in a particular batch, and all these inquiries you will make in points. After that, please provide me these details so that I can take further action. Yours truly, and signature and name. Okay, so this is your letter for inquiring about some goods or service. Okay beta, I hope you understand it well. If you have any doubt, then please ask beta. I will provide you the PDF of some examples also. Write them down in your fair notebook. Okay, have a nice day beta.